Nabasa lang namin to last week sa Dasmariñas SM, pero akalain mo nagbabasa kami sa Los Angeles, California. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal talaga sa amin ni Pao all over the world. Wow, inano ko na yung sarili ko all over the world. We love you all so much. Sobrang wala ang salitang salamat. Kung may sobra pa sa salitang thank you, yun po yung gusto naming sabihin sa inyo. And with this movie na mapapanood nyo po sa March 28 dito sa US, regalo po namin sa inyo. I'm sure maghahampasan po kayo ng bonggang-bongga. So, we give it our all, we give it our best para po sa inyong lahat.
What am I feeling right now? I think there's immense pressure when we're always trying to sell a movie or trying to get people to watch a movie. Not just because mahirap magbenta ng pelikula ngayon, pero dahil worldwide rin yung release namin, so medyo nakakaba and coming from Star Cinemas, mga previous movies ng Star Cinema, so dagdag pressure sa amin. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited to go around and meet everyone and to visit several screenings once we come out, also here in the US. And my message to the fans, I just want to say thank you. The support has been out of this world. It's gone up and above what regular fans or supporters do for what they call their mains. You see posters on people's gates in the Philippines, on people's cars. You see buses painted with our...
Sa gate ng bahay, meron pa yung paggawa ng gate.
Buses painted with our posters without Star Cinema, na hindi sinagot ng Star Cinema. People are really going beyond what's needed, or beyond the support that's not even being asked to promote the movie and help this movie make it a success. So I'm very thankful, and like what Kim said earlier, I've been doing projects left and right back in the Philippines, different roles, dark, light, or crazy. Pero ayun nga, parang dito ko sa totoo lang po, parang nagka-crave pa rin yung katawan ko na gumawa ng mga kakaiba, na mga hindi ko pa nagagawa, hindi ko pa na-explore na roles. But I keep remembering seeing people's smiles. If you remember, I don't like receiving gifts from anyone at all. I like letters. And when I read the letters, it's very inspiring. It's something else to read those letters and know that you're making an impact in their life in a positive way. You make them smile. And siguro that's what also kept me going. And na magka-work rin kami lagi ni Kim, dahil kung nakapagbigay ako ng ganitong saya sa mga tao na siguro kahit nagtatrabaho abroad or malungkot sa buhay, parang if I could make even one people feel happy or uplift their day because of what we're doing, then bakit ko ititigil gawin to para mag-inspire ng ibang tao. So again, I'm very grateful and very thankful to everyone.
Yeah. Share ko lang, may nabasa kasi siyang letter na nasa Dubai ba tayo? So sabi niya, basahin mo, naiyak ako kanina. Tapos binasa ko, naiyak din naman ako. Pero binabasa niya talaga lahat ng letter. Ako din naman. Parang di naman nagbabasa. Pero thank you so much. Maraming salamat. May kita niyo po more of his 13 teeth more often. Binilang na.
And honestly, like, before you guys came out here, we were talking about you with everyone here, diba guys? We were talking about them. And people really love that you're good hearts. And that's the number one thing that they love about you, is you're not only a beautiful duo. I mean, I'm looking at you like, wow, starstruck, right? Pero your hearts are just so full of kindness and full of love, not only for each other, but for every single person here who's love and support you.
Thank you.
All right, so, okay, I heard a rumor, Kim and
More?
Paolo, but from
Oh my
my
God.
friends here in Los Angeles, now they see you guys working out together in the mornings. What do you guys do in the mornings together?
Nagbe-breakfast sabay. No, joke lang.
What are the workouts like?
Wini-workout namin yung samahan na. Why?
I heard you guys jog together too? Jogging?
Jogging eh.
I always run especially when I'm abroad because hindi naman lahat ng napagsasayan namin may gym or may ano. So the best and easiest way to work out for me is running. It also fixes my jet lag. Na medyo ngayon lang naayos. So, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. And of course, Kim runs as well. So, every morning, niyayaya ko siya. Kung sinong maunang magising sa amin, sabi ko, Kim, gising ka na.
Hala!
Ay,
Tabi!
tabi pala
Hala,
tayo.
tabi!
Ay, hindi pala. Katok pala yun. Oo, mali pala, mali. Mali pala, katok pala. Kim, gising ka na. Ganun pala yun.
Hala!
I think they just caught you. Kim, gising ka na,
Tatalikod lang,
gising na.
tatalikod.
May bagong headlines bukas. Alright, so, what's your response, Kim?
Hala! Nanaginip ba ako nun? Sana hindi na nagising.
Alright guys, don't miss it. Again, on March 26 sa Pilipinas, mapapanood ang mga My Love Will Make You Disappear. But now, for the moment we've been waiting for, we have a special surprise for you to check out. Alright? So we're gonna count down together. You guys know what it is yet? Oh, okay, so let's do a count. Ready? 5,
4, 3,
2, 1.
Wow! The new poster.
Yes, hindi pa rin po natatapos ang sanamaknok na poster.
This is the new poster for My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Pang 25th poster. But I'm more excited for you guys to watch our new trailer
Yes, meron
coming
ka
out
bang
this
konting
evening.
hint sa kanila kung ano yung magiging trailer mamayang gabi? Madaling ay umaga sa Pilipinas. Yung trailer.
Hint, ayoko mag-spoil pero mas nakakakilig tong trailer. Mas romance siya. Ayun.
Yeah. And bago yung kanta.
Siguro
bago
mga 4 to 6 p.m. For around 4 to 6
Anong
p.m.
oras?
lalabas.
Yeah, you guys need to be there, right?
Around 4 to 6 p.m. lalabas yung bagong trailer. Ipapalabas dito sa Cerritos later sa
Dito,
konsyerto.
ma'am. 8 p.m. nila.
Okay.
8 a.m. Diba mayang 6? Yeah, nung naparod ko siya parang, naiyak ako. Oh. Sana kayo din.
Guys, feel free to go ahead and take pictures of this new poster with Kim and Paolo right here. All right, and then before we, let's just give them one round of applause for being here, first of all. Kim, Paolo, what is your final message for our loving fans here in Los Angeles today?
Ayun na. Thank you so much. Thank you very much sa pagpunta po dito sa saan nga ba to? Cerritos. Thank you sa lahat ng mga bumiyahe, sa lahat ng mga naglaan ng time for their weekend para sa amin ni Pao. Maraming salamat po. And for all the love, for all the support, for all the time, effort, and lahat na makipag-coordinate sa Philippines to kung sino-sino man. Basta maraming salamat. And I hope you enjoy our movie this coming March 28 dito sa US. And meron din kaming US screening dahil My Love Will Make You Disappear is finally here. Dahil may special screening po kami. Yes, babalik po kami dito sa Sa Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, happening on March 28, 29, and 30. 3 days tayo dito. 3 days tayo dito. Pabalik po kami, manonood po kami kasama ninyo, and we'll have a surprise BTS clips and Q&A sessions.
Ayun po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumiyahe pa sa iba't ibang lugar para makapunta dito. Thank you. At sana safe rin kayo makauwi mamaya. But again, thank you again for the support. Nakita ko may mga block screenings na sa mga first few days namin dito. So thank you. Wala talaga ako masabi kundi thank you. Ang pinakamalaking regalo namin na maibibigay sa lahat ng sumusuporta talaga namin ay through our work. And I'm sure my love will make you disappear ang biggest gift na pwede naming iregalo sa inyo. So thank you.
And so
And of
once
course, and again, like what Kim said earlier, we're going to be at the Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, in March 28, 29, and 30. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga tickets, you can visit mytfc.com to reserve your tickets.
All right, 28, 29, and 30. Don't forget, guys, they'll be back. And mytfc.com. But we're also going to acknowledge Amaret Jones, Patricia Folgar, and her team, marketing consultant and partners of Star Cinema. Thank you guys for being here. Oh, and guys, we want to keep in touch. All right, so before you leave here, go see Amaret and her team to leave your email address at the registration. So we will email you with photos of today's event and things like that. And then we're going to have a groupie shot pretty soon with everybody. But please don't, let's be respectful of Kim and Paolo to not, rush the stage. Let's just be very respectful. Oh, respectful, not disrespectful. All right. Should we start the groupie pick? Let's do a creative muna. Or do you want to? Okay, groupie. Let's do the groupie.
Should they stand? Okay, you may stand.
You may stand. Everybody, let's stand. All right, we'll just gather around. We're gonna do a groupie pick with everybody.